amid raging political row over use of adulterated ghee for preparing the famous Tirupati temple laddus. The special investigation team constituted by the Andhra government is likely to visit the temple board today. The probe team will be meeting the vigilance officers and officials of the temple board, including TTD executive officer and additional executive officer. The SIT will take stock of the investigation that has been done in the matter so far and is likely to start its own probe from tomorrow. As probe is intensifying, the political war has also escalated. YSRCP President and former Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy will be visiting Lord Venkateshwara Temple. He is expected to arrive in Tirumala on Friday and will be offering prayers in the temple the next day. Now, Jagan Mohan Reddy also called on people to take part in temple rituals across Andhra Pradesh on 28th of September to atone for the sin allegedly committed by the Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu through his allegations on Tirupati laddus. Now, Reddy's appeal has come days after Naidu alleged that previous YSRCP government did not even spare Sri Venkateshwara Temple and in fact used substandard ingredients and animal fat for making laddus. TDP has hit back at Jagan and is insisting that he should sign the declaration of faith, asserting that they will not allow him to enter the temple if he fails to do so. TDP has cited the custom at the Lord Venkateshwara temple for people of other religions to declare their faith in Lord Balaji for seeking his darshan. Chief Minister Naidu's party said that since Jagan is a known believer of Christianity, he will have to sign the declaration of faith. Listen in.
Even if Jagan Reddy climbs up the 7 hills on his knees, even then there will be no forgiveness from the Lord. We have released a number of documents which clearly state that they have done this deliberately, knowingly, by colluding with a company called AR Foods, by changing the tender conditions. You have committed this sin. And the second thing is, you will not be allowed to go into the temple if you don't sign the declaration. All these years, you have gone into the temple without signing the declaration. We all know that you are a believer in Christianity, which we don't have any problem with. We respect all religions. We have seen even the Honorable President, former President, late Shri Abdul Kalam, when he was the President, being a Muslim, he had signed the declaration.
And we're also getting a reaction from the Bharatiya Janata Party on this. Let's listen in.
हम सिर्फ दर्शन करने ही नहीं, प्रायश्चित करने जा रहे हैं, वहां पर क्षमा प्रार्थना मांगने जा रहे हैं वेंकटेश्वर स्वामी जी को, और 7 पहाड़ हम सीढ़ियां चढ़ने वाले हैं, जो तकरीबन 3000 से ज्यादा सीढ़ियां हैं। उतना ही नहीं, सीढ़ियां चढ़ने के बाद ये हिंदी में लिखा हुआ क्षमा प्रार्थना पत्र जो है, हम इसको उस वहां के हुंडी में हम रखने वाले हैं। और इस क्षमा प्रार्थना के बाद हम स्वामी जी से ये मांगना चाह रहे हैं हम कि हे स्वामी, कई सालों से आपका सिर्फ इस प्रकार से प्रसाद को मलिन करना ही नहीं, बल्कि ये लोग आपके जेवरात, आपके मुकुट, आपकी हुंडी के पैसे सब खाते आ गए हैं।